Can you salvage a ZX10 engine after dropping a valve? Let's find out.
I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be in my head, so I'ma let you know. I realize how much I want you.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, as you saw, we're going to be pulling the head off of this and we're going to see if the engine is going to be usable still. I have not done it before on a 10R engine, so we'll see how it goes. You guys will learn with me and hopefully we can still use it. If not, stay tuned to the very end of the video. I do have an update, possibly a different engine coming. Alright, to start off, I drained out the oil and coolant as best as I could. So we'll see if we can get our throttle bodies off here. I'd like to leave as much together as I can. I believe the tensioner is on this side. Moment of truth. Wow. That's pretty bad. So that one's gone. Top of that valve is completely gone. Oh, that's it there, actually. And that is the other valve. So this valve is broke right off. It's sitting right there. And that's the top of the other one. Keep in mind, guys, this engine has less than 1,000 kilometers. I mean, this is as new as it gets. And to just drop a valve like this is absolute bull. Why it doesn't have, why they didn't do a recall on this. There's the piston damage. Man, that sucks. Just a hole right through it. Yeah, no, there's some pretty good scoring on this backside. Yeah, she's made contact a few spots there. Well guys, as you can see, it's got some pretty good damage to it. The one valve is snapped right off, jammed into the other one. This intake one is bent right over as well. This one's not seated all the way down, so I mean we've got everything to do with that cylinder. All of them dropped by the looks of it. The one that snapped right off, bounced around inside, punched holes through the piston. I've got pretty significant marks. Now they're only up about, they're right at the top edge of that one. So I don't know if that would be usable or not, but there's still hope. What happened just the other day, a couple days ago, I found a Hayabusa, 2007 Hayabusa that was in an accident, and I put a bid on it. We'll find out if I get that on Wednesday, so 2 more days. And if I get that for the price I'm looking for, we'll see. Maybe I'll even be able to turbo it. And I know that transmission will hold a lot more power. That was absolutely the weak spot of this one. So that would be an ideal motor to be using. But yeah, costs were just way too high. If I get this one, it is not a whole lot more than rebuilding this one. So hopefully that's something we can go with. And yeah, I guess I'll just slap this head back on and put her to the side for now. There are some parts on eBay that I could probably use, but we'll see. We'll see if I get this other engine or not. Anyways, thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed the teardown. Stay tuned for more to come on this Willy's Jeep build. Hopefully you guys like the content, and please let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. It really does help. It tells me if I'm going the right direction or not. Regardless, I'm going to be doing this build, but as I get deeper into it, I want everyone's input on it. I want to know if you guys think I'm doing something totally wrong, if it's, or if you can't wait to see it run like you know, the way that I think it's gonna. Just let me know. Hit me in the comments. I'll reply back to you. And thanks for watching.
I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be in my head, so I'ma let you know. I realize